What's going on, everybody? It's Brian, and this is video 5 in my PC build series. And in this video I'll be unboxing the OCZ Vertex II 2.5-inch SandForce solid state drive. It has a capacity of 60 gigs, and I picked this up for 80 bucks. There's a mail-in rebate I have to do, but let's take a quick look at the packaging. Here's the front. There's also a 3.5-inch adapter for desktops, which I probably won't need because the case I have, the Thermaltake Armor A60, already is able to support 2.5-inch drives. So over at the specs, it says that it could have a maximum read speed of up to 285 megs a second and a write speed of up to 275 megs a second. It has a sustained write speed of 250, and there's some other information down there. It's funny how they put the Mac logo there. Most people buy their stuff straight from Apple or some overpriced Mac sales website. So let's go ahead and take the plastic wrap off. This is a SATA II 3 gigabit per second based solid state drive. It's not SATA III 6 gigabit per second. This drive doesn't really need that much bandwidth to perform well. Now, if you would need the OCZ Vertex III, then you would probably want the 6 gigabit per second port instead. So let's try and get this out. Okay, so first off we have a installation guide and a warranty information pamphlet. Here we have an OCZ sticker, which is pretty cool to have, I guess. And in here we have the solid state drive itself. This is the OCZ Vertex II 2.5-inch drive. Let's go ahead and take it out of the wrapping so we could take a closer look at it. So here is a closer look at the drive itself. Looks very nice. Now, I have been using a solid state drive in my MSI GT680 gaming laptop. I've been using the Corsair V64 Nova, and I may actually swap it out with this solid state drive because this one's a good bit faster in terms of write speeds. So here is our SATA connection on the back. Here we have some little bit of information about the solid state drive itself. So very lightweight, of course. There's no moving parts in here. It's all flash chips. Now let's see what else we might have in the packaging. Looks like we have the 3.5-inch desktop adapter. Not going to need this, so I'm just going to put it back in this little packaging thing here, and I will leave it there. Put that back in here as well. I will keep the sticker out just in case I want to put it somewhere. And that is actually pretty much it with my unboxing of the OCZ Vertex II 60 gigabyte 2.5-inch solid state drive. It does have the SandForce controller, so this gives you quite a bit of performance. And that's it. So if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave them down below in the comments area. But that's it with the video. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you all.